Hey everyone, friends, this is Velour channel. Today I'll show how to import worlds into Minecraft Java Edition. First, open your browser. We need to find a world. I'll choose a free Minecraft world for this demonstration. Here's one, Pyramid Parkour. Click download. We get this zip file here. I'll move it to desktop, open and extract the file here. This can be deleted. Open the folder and see this. Now we need to move this to our Minecraft folder. Press start, type run, then type %appdata. Click OK. Here, open the Minecraft folder, then saves folder, and move our world here. After that, launch Minecraft and it'll be there. That's it. This was Velour. See you later.